ngusoso rhunqu umanyawuza uthahla undayini uziqelekazi ungqungqusha undamase nangoku nisahlamba ngobulende amanzi ekhona namhlanje ndilapha eAlexandra eHofmeyer ndibizwe ngutata uJoseph Umthetho uthi manyawuza khawuze mani mntanam undincede ndinengxaki apha nomakhelwane ewe ndandimbonile kodwa khandiqonda uba izaba njena andikwazi uphuma ejardini umfazi wam akanampilo wathi if mntana abantu ngenzeka into uba ngaba ndingathetha naye uyaxhathisa nam ndathi heyi ayivakali kodwa nam mhlekazi mandize ndizokroba ndilapha nje ndizobona loo nto leyo masambe khe siyojonga nathi Koko
Hayi
Baba Joseph
yebo sekuphile nje kunjani
ngikhona kunini ndokumele sawona
yebo
yabona ilanga litela shona
sitela shona
mara silana
ngibonga kakhulu yakukuthembakala kuyi
ewe ngusoso rhunqu ke lona mhlekazi sisuka kumakhelwane kumoja ubusibhalela ngithi khawunibalisele ke tata ndifikile kwenzeka ntoni naxheko
into ezaka lapha ukuthi le moto okoyavalela iminyaka sisiqhenqe ngoku okoyivalelo le moto nalo muntu oyivaleleyo apha kananda ukuthi le moto mayihuqwe nje okanye mhlambe ibethwe ngamazembe ibe zipieces iyolahla okanye mhlambe abayabe metro baze bayithathe bayiphakamise bayisele estratweni ngoko ndithenqa lento ba endifumana ndihlala apha ukufika kwakhe apha ndinemoto apha ndibanceda imisebenzi ingekho ndibabhatalisa imali encinci yepetrol qha namhlanje isenguye umuntu oyenza lento apha kum
okay imake mhlekazi ungekanabi kakhulu asiqale ekuqaleni uthe kum manyawuza andikwazi uphuma endlini kuba le moto lena kukho inkinga umfazi wami nempilo ayikho right so ke ndicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bakunokwenzeka isihlo sithile ngelo xesha le moto andizukwazi uyikhupha basiqale apho ke so le moto ime apha one uhlala apha inkinga leli donga leli ayidonga ndizibona amadonga amabini la and why usithi le moto ayikwazi uphuma la kuba ingathi space anasikhona ngazi noba ngibona wrong na
ewe sibona wrong abantu abaninzi baye babona wrong ndiye ndayizama yahuzuka phaya ibetha phaa kulaa kona oyibonayo leya kafanele uyijike kandingakhawuleza ndiyijike ingekafiki le iyahuzuka kulaa kona xa ixesha inantsika isithuba sincinci ngapha ngemva kwale moto xa sendifika ligqibile apha kufanele ukuthi ngokujika khona laa ndlu leya ifike ime phaa kulaa ndlu leya ingasakwazi nokujika ndandimcelile lo mfo lokuthi xa eyakhayo ikona le ayenza ibe mfutshane leya
uzokwazi uswinga
wayala wazikhethela uba yena makayenze njani na ngoba banabantu abanye abavana nabo mnaki andazi noba mhlawumbe umona andazi
wawuphi wokwakusakhiwa baba
bengisekhansela kusuka kwamapha ndibabona basebenza wakhe ngokhansela wandipha incwadi wathi hayi yenzela imoto yakho idonga okanye mhlambe uze nami uthethe nami sivane ukuthi singayenza njani bangabe mhlambe wena ucinga lulisa ngathi hayi i-right incwadi uzondenzela uba manje izidonga ndenzela imoto yami izaba yi-carport incwadi ikhona endlini wayebhala kanti ngoku abantu sebeyakha ngoku ukhansela oqala yena wabadilisisa bebesakha ngoku nawe ufanele ubadilisise siyeza nokhansela sesasifika apha wathi naye uba ngaba kuzaba nengxaki sizasudusa itoilet ezi ngoku basudusile nazi itoilet imoto still ivuka phaya
awuvani nomakhelwane wakho baba kude kufikele lana nikhulumisana ithini into yena anizwani
kuze kube ngoku oko engakaqali ukwakha ukwenza lento le besingavani nandazi uba yintoni kakhulukazi andifuni ukuthi ndikhombe futhi abanye abantu ngoba bayazana bona and ndiyabeva xa beshawuta bethetha namangqinayo ke ukhona umuntu koba bathatha inansika ividiyo bethatha bendithuka abaya singazi uba ngoku bangena njani phakathi kwethu nalo muntu inoba ngabo abayenza ukuthi lo muntu makanansika ayenze ezinto
kumuntu ongutata umakhelwane wakho
lo
iwesi kaloku uba otata usually idla ngoba ngabo abathi balungise izinto amaxesha amaningi ngoko xa ndingazuvana nina okay baba kathi ndibone la maphepha akho uthetha ngawo because wena into oyifunayo ufuna kuphunguke apha kudilizwe inhloso yakho yena ndiwufuna yenzeke ufuna kuthini
enyanisweni kufanele uba ngaba mhlawumbe kwenziwa laa nto ibhalwe phaya ephepheni uba
ithini laa nto
ithi laa nto i-recommendation kuzawunansika kuzafanele uba makuthathwe i-action i-human settlement kwakunye naye lo muntu baphiwe bawonishwe ukuthi kufanele kuthathwe i-action and then because they've wronged me ngoku ndibona ingathi kuthatha ixesha elide oko 2018
since 2018
wakhe ngo-2018
Yho,
and
kudala, tata.
ngoku kamva nje zizile incwadi kamva nje ngonje zibhaliwe nazi aphaya ukuthi kufanele ukuthi kuqhutyekekwe kuze kufike eli xesha eli ne i-human settlement enansika le infailile i-housing building control kodwa yona i-building control itshentshile ngokuthi hayi makwenziwe umsebenzi maqhubeke kudilizwe nazi incwadi
ndiyazifuna ezincwadi because kaloku enye into endibhidayo kaloku umntu xa isakha xhego uyambona xa iqala esenza i-foundation
izitena apha nalaba abantu bakhe bebaninzi benxibe iregalia ibingabantu abanomsindo ngathi hayi thini laa nto ukhansela naye walibazisa ithe sesiza ke apha nanokhansela fumana idoga selinyusiwe kodwa lingekafiki phaa emaziko wathi make sibayeke then sibone uba mangabi imoto
nayo inamba kakhansela
yona ikhona
ngicela undiphathele amaphepha selubuya nale namba khe ndisabele nakuye phaa ukhansela
incwadi ezithile apha ezinye
ke ngoku sizayithini ke ngoku le nto lena xa engafuni udilisa ubaba lo
andithi le nto uyenze ngenkani
yinto yangoku le uJuly 2025
besifuna ngoku aze sithethe naye ngoku yabaleka
so lena ithi u-invitwe for i-meeting ne relating le nto lena yendawo uyile kule meeting tata ngale 20 ngale 9 kaJuly
saya
nobabini
ukhansela bengekho
bengekho okay so khange yenzeke le meeting
khange yenzeke kodwa ke uyayi-avoid ukhansela ngoku le nto kubonisa uba nasenikhathele ngukhansela ayisekho into endingayenzi
lena ngeyantoni
le ibinantsika
yecourt le
amapolisa bamnika inantsika bathi ungabambi elidongeni lakhe ngulo tata
ka-2018
ungalibambi uza kwenzela inantsika i-protection order uwake walibamba ulibambile ke yena ngoku yintoni into eyenzakeleyo kangabanjwe lo mntu
apha according to investigation the property is still under the city of Johannesburg yabo issued to the transgressor and human settlement to take action still awukafumani into ethi akhe samufonela lo councillor kaniphi inamba yakhe ndiva uba uthini naye ke sive uba uzawuthini utata uAdolf lo
ukwazi ukupaka imoto
sabona babu njani
Ukhona kunjani?
Ngiyaphila ukhuluma noSoso Rhungu from umakhelwane show kuMoja Love
Evan sekwenze njani manje mntakama
mamela kaloku tata uMarema
Yeah
ngilana Alex enumber 51 kubaba uJoseph Umthethwa angazi noba uyalazi naye lo gama
Oh 19
yes Dina lenki ka usithi ke baba uyayazi which means I think lenkinga
I'm very well aware of it
Eke ngiyabonga ke mhlekazi inkinga ke isekhona even now it's not resolved
Leyo ndaba yalapho ndiyazi nyani ndiyayazi kakhulu futhi
All right
so
you can
I
tell
don't
us.
even need to go and see because
All right.
something that I know
Okay.
If you can come here ukwenzela ukuthi at least ndigcibe nalabantu endinabo manje yabo
Yes Okay
Yandila manje
masize kuwe ke baba because nomakhi lona la akakafiki so that we can just kill the two birds with one stone siqale kuwe and then by the time ifika so we are on our way ke baba ngicela uniphe nje
100%.
moment of your time ngiyabonga ke mhlaka siyeza ke Nkosi council masiye kuye faka ezi zakho phana ukhipha isikhiya lana and then siye kuye kwangoku sekhona
Thank you.
Unjani tata uAdolf?
Khona kunjani?
Khona Nkosi.
Yeah.
Ndim kuSoso Rhungu. Yes. Sithethile efonini kanti kukufutshane.
Yes.
Uyayazi ke inkinga baba njengoba sowutshile efonini.
100%.
What has been the problem for ungabikho resolution to?
There has not been a delay. We have done our duress. We have called Ubaba Mthethwa, the Makhelwane that is on dispute. We have sat down Ubaba Mthethwa. We have even referred the matter to offices, the building control that deals with building. I've even went to the meetings where they were. I've even went to Alex FM and many other structures. But I think the difficulty of the matter is that we are confronted with. The person who built the structure is the very same person who is complaining about the structure. That was the difficulty.
The person who built the structure.
Ubaba owakhe leyo ndlu, uyu Ubaba
Umakhelwane
uMthetho.
kaBaba.
No, I mean the builder, not the owner. So meaning like the person, the Makhelwane has hired Ubaba uMthetho to build.
Lo Baba uMthetho complain.
Exactly.
Aye.
So that is the story that I have, which was spoken when he was there too. But that is not an issue because, in my view, the complaint was not about who built or who didn't build. The complaint was about imoto yam ayikwazi ukuphuma.
But again, you are bringing enye into that I was not aware of.
So, no,
I understand.
Ndifuna ukubuyisela ekhaya. Ekhaya in a sense yokuthi ndithi kuwe. I-complaint kaBaba uMthetho was not about ukuthi ngubani obuildile. Complaint kaBaba uMthetho was that ndinemoto epakela ayisakwazi ukuphuma
Because of the structure.
because of the structure. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
So normal situation, normal circumstances, then our office will issue a call note to listen to both sides of the story to try and create peace. Then we bring them through and they sit. Of course, it then necessitated to see in the wind, see in the actual place, sharp, just to see exactly what are they talking about. That is when we referred the matter, because of course, even if he is the one who built, he still has a crisis that has been reported to us, which is a crisis we must resolve. So our role in that is that we then invoke or necessitate a building control. And we've been referring him to them to say, no, this escalation has been done, even trying to call them to say, guys, please help Ubaba uMthetho. In fact, I think at one point I even went to say to the guy, just to create peace. Why ungayishayi peace? Yabona ikona so that imoto ikwazi ukuphuma ikwazi ukungena. Just I don't think ukuthi uzoba umoshakelelwe kakhulu. You understand? But that was just an effort to try and create peace. The accused has broken the law by building without following building regulations. But also the complainant also does not have legitimacy or legal standing of being where they are. How do we move from here? The difficulty of this case.
Bengicela ke uphe ubaba uJabu ichance nami ndizawungena.
Yeah, no,
100%. Baba uJabu, yo Joseph Nxesiba uyamva. Khawungene mhlekazi ukuzithethelele ngizawungena na.
Mr. Marema, please do not twist things. You have been twisting things since ever. Remember, you said we must go to the CPF. Remember, to Molet. What was the reason therefore?
Mediation.
Right. I won. And then they referred us back to you to say you must rather call the metro. And did you do so? You didn't. You said to me, look, Mr. Mthetho, you don't have to go there and there and there. You have to come back to me, and then you started with me, and you must finish with me. Mr. Marema, please do not do that to me. Please, let it be the last time you do this, and let's fix it now, please, Mr.
Before you answer, I've got Gowe Moslo Natarana. This is you. This is the permission to erect a carport, meaning uvumile uba utata enze icarport yakhe based on that wall that was already erect. So this is a go ahead, which was August 2018. This is you. And then it goes 7 years later. This is still you, correct, Mr. Marema? And this is what? Of the meeting that had happened on the 9th of July. Where are the minutes, or what, if anything, were the minutes of this meeting 7 years later on the 7th of July? Because Tina, we are here now in September of 2025. Yeah, but this is, I don't know what the outcome of this, maybe you would explain. Sharp. This is also an inquiry of an alleged failure to demolish an illegal structure. And this is when, Baba?
2025.
On May 13. You know, I don't want to say his name. You know this operation managed. I just want to run you through a couple of documents that we have that are signed by these officials who are involved in these different departments. So even after you had signed the letter of 2019, this was still disregarded That was still disregarded. You met again in July, but still nothing has happened 7 years later.
Let me ask a few questions, if you may permit.
Yes,
But
please.
there's a point I want to correct. Mr. Marema, you mustn't say I was hired. You know that. You are lying in front of God. I went there to the council's offices to go fetch you to come and stop that man. I did not build. I came with you, didn't I? I came to you to Mr. Marema. Uze nami ukusuka le office. Saya phaya safumana abantu bebhinga wathi leave them, let them continue. If the car cannot go out, then we will make a point to move the toilets backwards. You said so at a later stage.
Were the
But
toilets
now,
moved back?
did, yes, but now still the car cannot.
I saw the toilets.
Yeah.
Number one, the gentleman, when I went there, when I was cross-questioning them, Babu Mtetra, do you remember the time when I was at your yard, when those residents were saying that you were the one who was building?
They lied. I told you.
No. Do you remember this information that I am
It's
saying?
not the truth.
Is it information that is new that I'm bringing as new information, or is it something that you are aware of?
I did say they keep on lying. Did you see me building? You were there. You and I came there. We found them building, Mr. Marema.
No, I didn't find them building. I found a structure. Simile, like itina.
I came with you. I went there to, but Marema, are you denying this? That I came there to call you to say, let's go
No,
quickly.
I'm not denying.
Yeah,
Babu Mtetra.
don't
I
deny.
went to your
Please
yard.
be fair, be straight.
Ndafumana
I'm
indonga
not a child.
simile.
I'm not a child.
Do you understand what I'm saying? And from our end, we had initiated a building control. You have an email there of a gentleman called Johannes Mtlapa Maswi, who is from building control. Those initiatives were from our office to say, building control, do the action, do what is necessary. Now that these people are not agreeing with each
And
other.
the initiatives never came to Futishe.
And we've been, how many times have you been to Senten?
So many times I can't remember.
So we have been phoning a department of building control endlessly, back and forth. So here is the situation. In Alex, in fact, not in Alex, in Johannesburg, when somebody is building, a councillor does not demolish himself. That's number one. JMPD, you don't call JMPD directly. You call building control. Building control goes, issue a notice. And that notice must have some sense of I think it's 7 days, if not 14 days. If a person is not complying with that, the Office of Building Control then knows what to do. They take the breach of that notice that they have given a person to comply to JMPD for them to enforce the law. That's how the process works. So if a person has done that process, for example, which is what he did, which is what is coming to you as a question, to me to say, but it has been long standing. That one is for building control.
All right.
To say, how then do you allow a city to degenerate if you are unable to really enforce the law yourself? He can give me time of his convenience,
Okay.
where we can get building control to explain why is this matter not being resolved.
May I ask you a question?
Yes.
Put yourself in your shoes.
No, I agree.
All
To
right.
an extent where I even recommended that, why can't we cut for a car to go out?
It still hasn't
Do
happened.
you understand what I'm
Because
saying?
Lama Kelwane is fighting already no Babu Mteto, so whatever he says, it's none and void until you get involved again, Mr. Marem. Even that suggestion, it should be coming from you, or whatever the case is. You find it weird.
No. The funny part is that
Okay.
the expectation of something, there has not been intervention that I've tried police, I have tried CPF, we have tried mediation at court, the court itself. For ubaba ukuthi athole usizo. We have went to media houses, we have been to Alex
You're
FM.
shaking your head. Why, Baba?
No, he's prevaricating the stuff. You know, you are gagging, you make a figure of speech instead of getting to the point. What I'm saying to you is exactly what you've done. You must just say, confirm and say, well, that I remember, Mr. Mthethwa. 2, 3 things you cannot deny. At least one of those things. Mr. Marama,
I cannot deny that your car is closed. I cannot deny
for a long time,
that you want it
and
out.
I've got a warrant of arrest for that person. And guess what? Remember one morning I phoned you and asked you, did you send the Metro to come and drill my wall for a window for another person, for my other, what you call
Metro Police?
Yeah, I did phone you and you said you did not. Like now the window is standing there, I can take you there. You know what? I've got a case. I've got a case for what you call for damage to property, and I have 2 warrants of arrest for those 2 people. And you know exactly. I told you.
No, Mara, why would
you know everything? I'm worried because it troubles me. It doesn't trouble you.
No, and
you
I hear
have
you.
a private. You have a private with some of those people.
No,
you
fair
have
enough. I agree with you that it is wrong. Because on a number of occasions I have met, and I started from the scratch on a number of times. No, I don't even remember his name. I know his face, yeah.
Because
I know his face. I don't know.
Yeah, they used to call you regularly and speak to you through the phones.
Everybody calls me.
I was paid, I was hired. They are lying a lot. How can I build and close my car?
No, it didn't make sense to me.
Yeah, of course it doesn't.
And then
It didn't make sense.
And then you come
Mara, you not denying it in front of them also.
I do deny it.
It makes
all the time.
me
How must I
feel.
deny it?
I don't understand. Do you understand what I mean?
Sense and going forward because we need to come to a solution. So
My sister.
and now I've got your number so that I can also do a follow up.
My sister. I am here. I am not going anywhere. But I do not want to create an impression that just because he is a complainant, he is a winner. Do you understand? My role is to be in between departments and my people.
Yes.
That I can give him a commitment to. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I hear you.
And I want to repeat it.
I hear
Maybe thingisho ngesizulu.
Ngokuzwi
Owami umsebenzi njengommeli
ungumlomo
wabo
womphakathi.
is to interpret to him what this means, and raise issues on his behalf and fight for justice for him. But that does not mean that if you go to action or Office B explains how things work, and if it doesn't come to his favor, he shouldn't then think that I am not servicing him. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand?
If the results are not favorable to him, at least I would have discharged my responsibility. But it has to be fair, reasonable, and within the law. They cannot just dismiss him. Do you understand what I'm saying?
You even know that's illegal. You have a letter that says it's illegal. So ubu fairness bona is definitely on Babu Mthethwa's favor. Nanga maphepha.
It's what time now? It's
Yeah.
8 minutes
You
past.
don't have to go to the
It's
office.
8 minutes past 6.
Okay.
I'll speak to my PA at the office
Okay.
to initiate the process of a letter.
Yes.
All I want from you is an email address. That letter would be saying that we request Ubabu Mthethwa
Yes.
to come with us to resolve his dispute.
Yes.
So kindly give him a day
Or
off
half day.
or a half day
Yes.
where we can resolve the matter.
Thank you, Mhlekazi
Yes.
Mqhibile.
And again, those papers that you have as paper trail, give it to him so that when he
Yes,
comes,
yeah.
he has that history
Yes.
trail
Yes.
of what has happened.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're doing great. These things happen. It's called trials and tribulations. Ndiyabulela Mhlekazi.
Trust you.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Nangu kukhansile. Thank you so much, man. Ndiyabulela. Okay, ke ndiyabulela tata inkosi kakhulu ngixesha lakho.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All the best for the rest of the year, ne? Yeah. Nisibonele ke nani emakhaya sizame kangangoko besikwazi sithethile notata uJoseph sathetha naye ukhansela utata uMarema ndathanda ubulela kakhulu ke kuyo ngokuthi abe ngumuntu othi xa kubizwa asabele loo nto ibonisa into yoba uzimisele kumsebenzi wakhe ndiyabulela kakhulu kutata uJoseph ngokuthi asibize naye azame ukusebenzisana kuyo yonke into eyenzekayo igama lam njengoSoso Rhunqu sizawubonana